problem with trucks.
So today we're back here working on MonsterMax again. We got some stuff done on the front, more or less just pulling the grill and all the little stuff out of the way so we can get to those heads. Basically it's going to be the same process as the rear engine. We're going to strip it down, surface the heads, get the injectors put in, new turbo, pretty much the whole 9 yards. So we're looking forward to everything. Stay tuned. So in the last video, people were kind of upset about us getting dirty or not. So we got gloves today. Don't want to get dirt under my fingernails. That's kind of a bad thing. Oh, that was tight. I don't know where it's gonna go. There it is.
Alright. Well, yes, I have fixed it.
What do you got there, Garrett?
This is the wiring nightmare of electric fans and not big enough.
Lots of experience, man. I've practiced for this my whole life.
So what's happening?
Huh?
We called our shipping manager to bring us tools. I'm kind of at a stuck point until he gets here.
Stand still.
Stuck point.
Stand still.
I'm stuck in the dryer just like that.
We just took the double hood stack pipe off of the down pipe. So from here we are going to go back up top and proceed to keep tearing into it.
Did you tilt it too? Yeah, I think we tilted.
Yeah, yep.
I hate you guys.
Why?
Nothing.
We haven't done shit. I'm gonna put a fart count in the video.
Oh my god. Well, we had to remove the steering shaft so we could get to the glow plug nut here. And that way we can get the wiring harness out of the way and start getting basically the whole top side of this engine stripped down. Hello?
Hi, we're trying to reach you about your car's extended warranty.
You want me to take it or you got it?
Yeah, take it.
Got the down pipe out.
I'm all covered with fiberglass. It's in my eyes and my nose and my mouth.
That's tasty. Hey, while you're down there,
No.
you got the big ass ratchet?
Why wasn't this done when the engines were out?
Hi.
There it is.
What are you doing? Breaking my nuts. Trying to bust a nut in here. It's so close I can see it.
Oh, I know. It's annoying.
That's how.
That's kind of cool. Yeah, you break your knuckles too. I don't like smacking my knuckles on things. It hurts.
When we were trying to get the balancer bolt loose and we had to use extra leverage, we bent the handle on it, and yeah, so that's why I buy quality, not Harbor Freight.
How's the new trampoline?
Sweet.
Oh! Bailey, protect.
Right there. Trying to get the last up pipe bolt out.
I don't want to get hit with the fucking injector.
Yep, she's stuck.
There you go, buddy.
There you go.
A little cooling down the leg.
Nice.
So far, we got the turbo off. We're kind of hung up on some injectors right now. They're stuck in the heads. So we're waiting on tools from Ty, but while we're waiting, I kind of want to talk to you guys about our drop-in 68 mils. These are some stout turbos. Whistlin's had this in his truck for a while now, and you guys saw the abuse that it went through. It's everything on the Charger's still in working condition. It had an exhaust leak, so that was an issue. It did have an oil leak, that was an issue. And he just beat the absolute hell out of this Charger, and it took every bit of it. So we're pretty impressed. Check them out on the website. We offer a 64 up to a 68, and then a 72 for competition use only. Check it out, guys.
You want lube or no lube?
Exclusive tool here. Not available on the website, by the way.
Call for availability.
Right. So we'll thread this on, kinda. Maybe. About like so. We got enough thread there. And then we're gonna thread this in. And we gotta get that turned so it's straight. And now we play a little game of whack fuck. Oh, that hurts. You might want to move the camera. And we get the injector out.
Oh, what was that? No, it was not.
It was.
It was.
I'll grab it.
Yeah.
What are the odds?
At least we're both comfortable.
Sure.
You guys look cute.
Thanks, sweetheart.
I need 12.
I have a radiator cap on my ass. The 12 is on the impact.
What impact?
Huh?
And I have a 12 on. Alright. Good thinking. I like the way you think most days.
Most days.
Most days. Maybe. There's one back here, isn't there? There we go.
you go.
Is there another box down there? Like an empty one?
Wow, I was filming.
You know, the old in their workout today. She's hotter than 2 mice in a wool sock under a wood stove. With 4 bars of battery, so let's see what she's got now. Fucking let her eat. Oh yeah, that's what I like to see, bud. Uh-oh. She hit the thermal overload. Yep.
Works harder, not harder.
Yep, I'm doing like.
That's typical Garrett.
No, like these bolts.
Oh.
All right, say it.
I should call her. No.
So Colton and Garrett have been working pretty hard about getting the cylinder heads off the front of MonsterMax's engine. We're going to be taking the heads back to the shop. We're going to clean them, disassemble them, pressure test, resurface, and rebuild. We're going to walk you through all the steps that we do when we redo a set of cylinder heads. And Colton's still got to build the injectors for it yet, so we're going to show you the steps that we do when building a set of 60% over LBZ brand new injectors. So stay tuned for our next episode. We're going to be showing all that in detail.